In my previous video, I made 12 channels transmitter circuit. Today I am going to show you how to make this 12 channels receiver circuit. For this circuit, I am using 315 MHz receiver module and Arduino Nano with 12 LEDs to represent outputs. As usual, first of all, I am going to build my circuit. And here's the diagram of it. For this circuit, I am not using PCB. After soldering process, open the Arduino IDE and start a new sketch. In setup function, first of all, I am enable serial monitor. In the receiver circuit, I am using A0 to A5 and D2 to D7 pin as output. For this code, I am utilizing input capture unit of the timer 1 peripheral in Atmega chip. This is the timer 1 overflow interrupt service routine. And this is input capture interrupt service routine. All these are used to measure the input pulse width. The timer overflow variable and timer capture variable will represent the input pulse width. So in my main loop, I am going to print those values to find the necessary parameters for our next step. Now I am uploading this code and start the serial monitor. Since our receiver module pick up so many noises, the serial monitor also print random numbers. But if I press the one off button in the transmitter, we can see some kind of pattern in the serial monitor. If we analyze this further, we can find the represented values for start pulse, stop pulse, data 1 pulse and data 0 pulses. So I am going to use these values to decode the received data. Therefore, I modify input capture interrupt service routine with these values. But in here I am checking the pulse width within some range. That is because the received pulse width might be little bit vary due to some reasons such as battery level and the distance between transmitter and receiver. Then I upload this code to find the decoded value for each button in the transmitter. Now I am using these values to enable the corresponding outputs. Also added 100 millisecond output holding delay. Now our receiver circuit is ready to use. Please comment your suggestion on this video. Also make sure to subscribe my channel. We will meet again with our transmitter upgrade for multiple channels video.